And there is no other group in America that has traveled such a long distance, has achieved so much in the last 50 years as the Black Americans. When most Black Americans come here, I think it gives them a feeling that I'm actually in a property that's owned by one of us. You can see them relax more. They kind of just, okay, I don't have to pretend. It makes them feel a little better, and because it makes them feel good, it also makes me feel good.
I was sitting here thinking about how lucky I am to come from a Jamaican family, but to also be immersed in the Black American culture. Two of the best cultures to ever exist. Like, if I die and come back again, I want to be placed back in these same exact cultures. That combo, Jamaican and American.
For so long, Black Americans and Jamaicans have not been in good terms, but it is because of the online diaspora wars that went on for the past 50 years. It is on a recent finding that Black Americans indeed love Jamaicans. When Black Americans visit Jamaica or tour Jamaican island, they feel at home, they feel at peace because they feel a sense of belonging from one of their own. With the first video we have just watched, you can clearly get to see how Black Americans and Jamaicans embrace each other. This episode is about clearing rumors that Black Americans and Jamaicans hate each other. This video also, it is to uplift the Black American and the Jamaicans family so that they can be as one. Also, make sure you watch this video to the end so that we can be on the same page. Black Americans and Jamaicans don't hate each other. It is because of the diaspora wars, which is online, that has created animosity between these two groups. Black Americans, when they visit Jamaicans, most of them relocate to Jamaica. Also, on a recent finding, when you want to visit Jamaica, it is visa free, but you will have to stay there for 90 days. Why? It is because Jamaican government came to a realization that Black Americans love visiting Jamaica. That's why when you visit Jamaica from United States of America, you are given a free visa visit. Let's watch the following videos accompanied, and we come back at the end and bring these two groups with the same culture and with the same ideologies so that rumors can be cleared. There are two groups that love each other. There are two groups that embrace and uplift each other. Let's watch.
Hey, so people have asked me, do you need a visa to visit Jamaica? If you are visiting from the United States, you do not need a visa. However, you can only be in the country a total of 90 days.
Okay, so this entire Black American Jamaican thing is exhausting. Number one, I have people in Jamaica that I absolutely adore. Number two, you cannot group one person or two people and say all Black Americans. That is like totally unfair, and it's extremely hurtful. I mean, if I went around and had one experience with one Jamaican person, I'm not gonna automatically say all Jamaicans. You know how many times we have strife and disagreements and things with folks? You don't just bunch all people into one. Black Americans support Jamaica a lot, come to Jamaica a lot, put lots of money there, and most of us aren't doing whatever some of these people are doing, and some of these people aren't even Black American. Like, it's just really unfair. It's fucking foolish, and it's ignorant as hell.
Black Americans, or African Americans, and Jamaicans, I found out that Jamaicans and Americans love hunting on each other. They love getting married together. We love each other, and we're very, very attracted to each other. That's good. That's the best thing. This is the best video that I have seen, the most positive video in the diaspora yet. Let's keep that good energy going. But I'm gonna tell you, I feel like Jamaican culture is a part of my culture because Bob Marley, Marcus Garvey is like, that's who influenced my life. Reggae music is, I listen to more reggae music and I eat more Jamaican food than anything. So infused in this big dog handsome body is Jamaican soul, food, rhythm, and energy. This is what I got to say. Nobody is giving any energy to the fact that Jamaicans and African Americans have a great relationship and have history together. Jamaica invaded Jacksonville, Florida in the 1980s and the 1970s, and they never left. They came to our neighborhoods, they fronted us that work, we were good to them, and it was a beautiful relationship. It's Jamaican restaurants all over. We never had any beef with Jamaica. Come on, man, can we get some love for having a successful relationship? We have so much of it. I know it's a few of y'all got problems and this, that, and whatever, and y'all beef a little bit, and all y'all trying to claim Jamaica. We didn't have to claim Jamaica. Jamaica being here with us. We are one with our brothers in Jamaica.
Can we get into a conclusion that Black Americans and Jamaicans are finally reconnecting with one another? If you support this statement, kindly let me know your response from the comment section below. Let's engage, let's talk more, and let the views talk. We can see from the videos we have just watched that Black Americans are clearly warning the world to stop talking bad about Black Americans and Jamaicans. There are two groups of people who love each other. They share the same culture, they share the same ideologies, and they respect each other. After the Hurricane Melissa that hit Jamaica, these two groups finally realized that they are meant to be. There are two groups who support each other. You can see Black Americans were hand to hand with Jamaicans in prayers, in food aid, and also in financial support for those who are affected by the Hurricane Melissa. I would like to know about this episode. Is there a diaspora war between Black Americans and Jamaicans? On my end, this is not a war. This is only a video to uplift these two groups and to clear off rumors that they indeed hate each other. They uplift each other, they continue to praise one another, and love is shared between these two groups. Let me know your response, and remember, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. A question I have for you. If Obama became the president of United States of America, imagine America having a Jamaican president. How will this be? Let me know on the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and goodbye, family.